In this video, I will show how to download and install WinRAR. WinRAR is a powerful compression, archiving and archive managing software tool. With WinRAR, users can compress or archive multiple electronic files into single and significantly smaller size folders. Open any browser. Type WinRAR download. Click this first link. Click to download. There are several download options. There are 32-bit and 64-bit options. There are options for Windows, Android, Linux, Mac, and more. Select your language. Select your platform. Select your architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. After you select everything, click in the download option that appears above. Once the download is complete, open it. Click on Install. Click on OK. Click on Done. The install is complete. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe this channel.